Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Hasbro's Transformers BOTBOTS Series 1. So there's two modes, there's their art mode and their robot mode. Transformers BOTBOTS, 24 to quit in Series 1. Made by Hasbro. These are, the blind box ones. Retail price is about, $1.99 to $3.99, so sometimes I even saw them like $5 to $7, but yeah. So our BotBots Transformers, and when I mean Transformers, I mean, like actual, Optimus Prime and Megatron and Bumblebee, like Transformers? Yes, the answer is yes. They're just more of a small mini-con form. Which, you know what? It's actually a shame that we don't actually have a Transformers BotBots anime. I mean, we got all these other Transformers animes, and some of them are kind of stupid. I mean, you have Transformers anime, which I didn't care for the style of that one, where I believe Jazz was like a police motorcycle type of thing slash ninja. Yeah, that was just pure garbage. And then you had Transformers Rescue Bots, which, I kind of understand it. It was kind of like, meant for younger kids, but it was somewhat okay. And then Transformers Rescue Bots Academy, nah, not as good as Rescue Bots, if I had to say so. But yeah, if these did this, in Transformers, anime, what would their size be if they team up with an actual Transformer? Probably around the size of a Minicon to maybe a little bit smaller than a Minicon. So roughly around that size, I would say. Because, you have something that's like the size of a cupcake versus something that's the size of a backpack. I mean, honestly, the backpack's going to be way bigger than a cupcake. Come on, honestly. So, yeah. Now, if they did decide to go along and make, this into an anime, how would they speak? Would they speak in beeps and bops and boops like, how Transformers Armada did with the minicons? Which I hope they don't, do that Cybertronian type of beeps and bops and boops, R2D2 type of language. I hope they actually speak, actual English like how the other Transformers speak. Then you could, understand them. Also, if, they don't want to go ahead and, make it into anime, which, come on, Hasbro, why the F not? I mean, this is going to be a money-making thing here, because considering that you're already on Series 3 of these, come on. It's about time we got the anime. If not, two other ways that they could go with the anime. One, they could go with like a machinima type of thing that's, maybe on YouTube for like somewhat a web episode. They could go with web episodes from, TransformersBotBots.com, the official website. They could go with something on Netflix. I mean, look, we heard that Transformers probably War for Cybertron Siege, the fourth installment of the trilogy, is probably going to be coming to Netflix, Right? If anyone's wondering what the band box looks like, it just tells you how to open it. Lift tab, punch, push, get it out. But let me talk a little bit more about the whole Netflix slash Machinima thing. Okay. Because, it does relate to Transformers, because it is Transformers and stuff. But anyway, yeah, Transformers, what was the first one? Not Power of the Primes, that was the third one. The Titans Return, that I think was the second one. I can't recall what the first one was called. First one was okay. The second one's Titans Return, I think was way better and probably their best one so far up to date. And Transformers Power of the Primes, oh my god, that was Power of the Crimes almost. Because that was just a crime to even make Power of the Primes. So much bad stuff in it. And not bad stuff like, language or bots getting killed off, which, bots were getting killed off. But it's so bad of how the story was. Like, they released episode 1, episode 2, episode 4, episode 5, and then episode 3. You're like, man, what the F? Did you not know how to count? It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6. That's not how you count. So someone doesn't know how to count, Mishima. Number 2, the episodes fluctuate in time. Episode 1 might be 7 minutes long. Episode 2 might be 20 minutes long. Episode 3 might be 3 minutes long. Again, what the F? Come on. Keep them running at consistent episode time length. Like how, every single episode of normal Transformers, from G1 to Beast Machines to Beast Wars to, Wars in the Skies, the original one, not the new one, was the B team. I'm talking about the A team of Transformers, or the T team, because, Transformers. Right? Yeah. Also, some of the toys that they made was, here's the big conflict with the toys, which falls into a lot of bad, poor choice categories. A lot of toys would never existed in Transformers Power of the Prime anime, yet they made the toys. Number 2, the instructions on toys were garbage. You might as well take the instructions, whip them up, turn them into confetti, set them on fire, and have a better time figuring out and actually getting it to transform than to let the instructions. Instructions, black and white. Not a good color choice there. Because a lot of things that you try to point out doesn't pay up too clearly with the black and white. Okay? You need to have some color to the instructions to point out and say, oh, so that part gets pushed down, that one gets rotated, that's what you gotta do. Yeah. Because on the Dark Rodimus Prime, or I forgot what his full name was, but consider him the evil Rodimus Hot Rod, type of thing. Yeah, the instruction said, take the head of Rodimus and turn it around to turn it into Hot Rod. It's snapping too. That's not what you do. That's what the instructions told you to do. What you're supposed to do is take the head, pull it up, like forward to give yourself clearance, and then spin it around, and then push it back in to become Hot Rod. That's what you're supposed to do. But no. The instructions never said, hey, take the head and pull it straight forward towards you, and then turn it. It just said, turn it, like turning a key to start a car. It was like unfreaking believable. Plus, the Prime armor that the toys come with never existed in Power of the Primes anime. Yeah, so why give us Prime armor, which was clearly some leftover parts from Combiners Wars, and yes, that was the first one. I finally remember the first one. Combiner Wars, Time's Return, Power of the Primes. Yeah. So, retooled a little bit, but definitely leftover not Power of the Primes, but Combiner War armor that they're calling the not Sport armor, that's the new armor thing. The Prime armor, which was garbage because it never showed up in the show, and the little things that go in the Prime armor. I'm so used to seeing the commercials nowadays for Transformers Cyberverse, Spark armor, which doesn't make any sense. Like, how can a ship have a spark in it to combine? And those just look god awful, utterly. Again, with the armor, because a little bit on the spark armor, you had like Bumblebee, who takes the whole entire ship, puts it on him as armor, and then he has a pair of hands that's not his hands. So you see Bumblebee's hands and a giant ship hands. The only one that makes sense that actually looks good is Optimus Prime in jet mode. That's the only one from the Spark armor that looks freaking good. It's nice that they throw Cheetor in there, but again, Cheetor and a submarine, not submarine, but a ship, no, garbage. And getting back to the arm with what you put in there, you can put in a Headmaster, or I guess a Time's Return Titan Master. You could put in the Nimmer cores, like the little cords that, you know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, you can put those in there, which makes a little more sense. It would be kind of cool if you could put the engine in there, like how Overdrive, I think it was called, or something in Japan. But it's over here, I think its name is changed to Overlord. It would be kind of cool to kind of put some kind of little engine system in there. But anyway, it's complete garbage. Anyway, I know this review is a little too long, and I know you were like, hey, show the thing off. I will, but, you know, I just gotta touch up because, you know, they said that the new show of Transformers is coming out on Netflix. So hopefully it's not a garbage one. Let's see who we got. Ooh, we got a new one. Sometimes the instructions in here, again, remember this is a Hasbro thing, can be a bit tricky to take out. Hasbro Transformers, so yeah. So let's open it up and see who we got in here. So we have gotten the Shooter Shots. What is this one? Coco Crazy. So it's a little cup of hot cocoa, but the funny thing is, you turn it to the actual letter and you got a big old face there. I don't know why you don't have anything covering up the face, but yeah, to transform him, to just say, flip open the arms like that, and then we, again, the same rotate.